I'd like to introduce you to Profound to rejuvenate your facial muscles. Profound is well known as the premier way to rejuvenate your facial skin. It turns on your own genes, replacing missing collagen, hyaluronic acid, which rehydrates our skin, as well as elastin. Recently, I innovated the use of Profound to rejuvenate our facial muscles, particularly the forehead, the muscles around the eyes, and the mouth. They age and stretch just like our facial skin does. We could use Profound to tighten the facial skin, and similarly, now for the first time, we could treat these facial muscles. Profound tightens these facial muscles, and by doing so, the muscles do not have to contract as hard, and it minimizes the wrinkling that accompanies overuse of these muscles, particularly in the forehead, transverse wrinkles, and eyebrow position. In other words, I could reduce those wrinkles across the forehead and elevate your brow. Around the eyes, I could reduce crow's feet as well as flatten the lower lids. With the mouth, I can get rid of lip lines or smoker's lines, elevate the corner of your mouth, as well as shorten the upper lip, which tends to elongate with age, and even evert your upper lip, reducing or eliminating your need for fillers. So this technique rejuvenates 2 of the 4 layers of aging, minimizes your requirements for toxins such as Botox, Xeomin, or Dysport, as well as upper lip volume. In addition to these 2 layers of rejuvenation, if the facial skeleton is treated with fat-derived stem cells, we could restore the youthful contours of our facial skeleton, and the stem cell aspect of these fat-derived stem cells restore circulation to the facial skeleton, slowing or stopping aging. Taken together, 3 of the 4 layers are treated within the face. Profound is done in the office, under Pronox, which is like laughing gas, and local anesthesia. The recovery is pain-free, and bruising, which is a requirement when we're treating the muscular layer, because the muscles are so delicate and do bruise easily, can be remedied with post-procedure laser to remove the bruises. It is one of the most dramatic procedures I've ever known. One modality treating the skin elements, shrinking the skin, and restoring the natural balance of your facial muscles. Profound allows us to accomplish a tremendous amount in the office setting. Fat-derived stem cells, which is something I helped innovate, another area of innovation in my career, which I've been doing for over 25 years, must be done in the operating room. But when done in my hands, the fat-derived stem cells stay, they look natural, they restore your natural contours, and, as I said previously, restore circulation to your facial skeleton. And it is amazing how patients initially are doubtful about the slowing of their aging process, who come back years later and say, I didn't believe it when you told me, but it's true. So I want you to know that Profound is something unlike any other procedure that you may hear about when it comes to non-surgical options of the face, allowing us to accomplish something that we could not accomplish before in terms of rejuvenating the facial muscles. We were forced to use a Band-Aid in the in the guise of toxins and fillers, and that will now be eliminated or reduced. Thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to meeting you and discussing Profound in person.